Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set reminders on the Bunge application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, tap on the profile button down below, which is the last option. Then click on the settings button in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on reminders, which is the first one. You can set learning days and session reminders. So here you can select the days you want your leadership tips. As you can see, you can tap on the relevant days, tap on save preferences, and after that you can also set session reminders. So if you tap on it, you can customize the time, and after that tap on save preferences. So that's how you can set notifications. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.